Hello. I want to talk today about the importance of parent participation and partnership on a school campus. Currently, I'm an elementary school principal, and my elementary school doesn't have an African American parent group on campus. And I believe that that voice is critical and it's missing. There's success when teachers and administrators can partner with parents to decide what's best for their student population. For example, in the past, ELAC parents on my campus did not have a parent group. And over the past couple of years, that parent group has been formed and is very successful. Parents participate, they have book clubs on campus, they participate in school business, they interact with the school, and they partner with us. As a result of that partnership, their students, English language learners, have done well. Data has shown them to outperform African American students significantly in data for English language arts and for math. So the research has shown that that partnership is critical. African American parents historically have not felt welcomed. They've not felt like their voice mattered. They've been apathetic to participate for various reasons. Maybe they don't trust the school. Maybe they've had a history of poor success themselves, and they may feel like it doesn't matter or that the school doesn't care. And so it's just critical that to overcome those barriers, we have to really go after African American parents and make them feel welcome, to help them understand how critical their role is in partnering with the school. It's my goal is to create an African American parent group so that their voice can be a part of that conversation. It's critical. It's critical for their students to be able to get to the next level. That partnership I've actually lived in my own life with my own children. My youngest daughter just graduated from high school, for example, and she knows that education is important. It has always been something that's been stressed in our family, in our home with all of my children. But as a result of the partnership that we've had with the school, she's been able to excel on different levels. When she was a sophomore in high school, she had a biology teacher that really partnered with us and took an interest in her and talked with us and me and my husband about how she really thought my daughter could excel in an internship on a college campus at UCR, working in the lab with one of the doctors there. She coached my daughter in the interview process, and as a result of that partnership, my daughter was able to get the internship. She was able to work in a lab over the summer, her sophomore year. And these internships are typically reserved for graduating seniors and for college students. But because of that partnership, she was able to participate in that internship, and it just turned on a switch inside of her and just encouraged her even more to enter into the medical profession. Now she's going to be entering UCSB in the fall, and she wants to be a doctor. I believe that this partnership that we've had through the years with the school has just benefited my daughter, and that's the kind of partnership that I want to see for all of my African American students. One of the things that we're trying to do in Moreno Valley Unified School District is to break the school to prison pipeline. African American students are the class of students that are represented, the most in the prison population, and we want to see that stop. And that begins with having a strong partnership between parents, African American parents, and the schools, the teachers, the administrators, the district office. And so we want parents to be a part of the discussion. We want their voices. They're missing right now, and we need those voices. I want African American parents on my campus to be a part of the family. I want them to see us as an extension of family at the school level. I want African American parents to understand that their voices matter too, and that without them, I don't see their students reaching the levels that they need to reach in order to be success stories in this world. And so that's my goal, is to break through those barriers and obstacles and make sure that African American parents know that they are being pursued, that they are being invited, that they are vital to their students' success. And I won't stop until they are strong, they have a strong parent group on my campus, and that African American students are succeeding academically. Thank you for listening.